Hello, we'll be making for you today a chicken pot pie filling. Stay tuned for part 2 where we show you how to make the dough and complete the recipe. Thank you for watching. Okay, we're going to be making some homemade chicken pot pie, and over here we have some chopped up raw chicken. I'll put the ingredients in the description box. Some onions, carrots, and those are some diced Irish, and some homemade chicken stock.
And chicken.
Okay, now we have our spices that's gonna go into the chicken pot pie. Some pimento, lemon pepper, cut up sweet pepper, some garlic over here, and then some Lawry seasoned salt there. In the pot here, in the saucepan here, we have a tablespoon of olive oil and a half stick of sweet cream butter.
Yeah.
Okay, we're about to add the onions. About how much is that? One large onion or one medium sized onion?
1 cup onion. 1 large onion. Okay, that's 1 large onion. 1 garlic.
Okay. Now we're gonna be adding the sauteing. Now we're gonna be adding
Garlic.
Garlic. How much teaspoon garlic?
1.5.
1/2 teaspoon garlic. Saute the seasons on medium flame or medium heat. Now add the raw chicken to the seasoning. Onto this side. Now the lemon pepper, pimento, 1 teaspoon. That was 1/2 teaspoon pimento. And how much is that?
A teaspoon.
A teaspoon Lawry seasoned salt.
11 teaspoons.
11 teaspoons. We have added our spices.
Lemon.
Then you're gonna saute that for about 10 minutes. Now add in some turmeric to give it a little bit of color.
And flip it and it's very nutritious.
And it's very nutritious, Mom says. Very nutritious. We're now adding the diced potatoes. Now adding the carrots. Now adding the carrots because I'm not sure if you guys heard me earlier on. Now adding 2 cups of homemade chicken broth. Adding now 2.
When put 1.5 cup and use 1/2 cup for put the cornstarch in.
Adding now some cow's milk. 1 3/4 cups. Increase the flame to high heat. Now add a teaspoon of flour and a teaspoon of cornstarch, so about 1/4 cup of cow's milk, and mix it until it's lump free.
Right.
Test the potato to see if it's cooked. Now pour in the milk and cornstarch and flour mixture. Lower the heat to about 5 or so, and then you add the mixture. Make sure that is properly incorporated because it should thicken the thing up. Allow it to cook. Make sure that cooks up, and it's gonna thicken it up nicely. And if it requires a little bit more thickener, then you can always add more cornstarch. And now we're going to be adding the sweet peppers or bell peppers. And stir that in. Look how colorful and pretty that is. It tastes so good, guys. So good. This chicken pot pie is going to be so good. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for watching.